Replace rules function similarly to a find and replace operation for an HTTP request within a browser. We will explore various use cases for replace rules, starting with how to create one. You can initiate the creation of a rule directly from the homepage widget by clicking New Rule. However, for this demonstration, we'll navigate to the HTTP Rules window and select the New Rule button. There are various types of rules, each designed for a specific use case. Let's select the Replace String rule and click on Create Rule. This page allows us to configure a replace rule. The source condition is where the matching criteria are set. Any HTTP request that matches this condition will undergo the specified find and replace operation. The Replace field specifies the text to be found, while the With field specifies the replacement text. The source condition can be applied to URL, host, and path with these matching criteria. There are also other advanced filters. You can use the source filter for that. Let's cover a very common use case where we need to load a non-minified version of JavaScript for debugging. Assume we are working on Nestle.com and need to debug a bug by loading a non-minified version of bootstrap.js. Currently, the website is loading bootstrap.mine.js from unpackaged.com. Let's put this into the source condition and replace .min.js with .js in the file name to load the non-minified version. Let's first check if the non-minified version exists. It does, so we'll simply reload the page. Now, the Bootstrap URL is redirected to the non-minified version, and it's loaded. Let's check in source. Bootstrap.min.js is actually showing Bootstrap.js as comments are visible. Ideally, comments are removed from minified versions. Let's explore another use case where we need to load stage APIs on a production site for testing. Assume production APIs are loaded from api.example.com and stage APIs are loaded from stageapi.example.com. We'll remove the source condition, which allows this rule to be applied to all network requests. So, if we save the rule and access this URL, you'll see it is redirected to stageapi.example.com. If we remove stage from the URL and try again, it is again redirected to stageapi.example.com. Another use case is when you want to test a different version of APIs with the front-end code on production. Assume your production API is running on version 1. Let's say we're working with the Checkout API and want to test version 2. After saving the rule and testing with the version 1 URL, you'll see that version 1 is redirected to version 2. You can change any part of a URL using the replace rule of a request.